Having trouble teleporting in Roblox due to error code 773 on your computer? Hey there folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on fixing error code 773 or the attempted to teleport to a place that is restricted error in Roblox. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. First turn on compatibility options for Roblox. To do this, first right-click on Roblox Player from your desktop and select Properties. Then go to Compatibility tab from this window. Now check the Run this program in compatibility mode for box. Next, select Windows 7 from this menu. Also check the Disable Full Screen Optimizations box. Then click on Apply and then on OK to save your settings. Now check if you can teleport without the error. Solution 2. If the error is still popping up, reset your network configuration settings. To do this, first type CMD in the search bar here. Then right-click on Command Prompt and select Yes. Now type netsh winsock reset, then hit Enter. This will reset the winsock catalog. Now type ipconfig/flushdns and hit Enter. This will delete the old DNS server cache from your computer. Don't worry, I'll leave these commands in the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and check if the error is gone. Solution 3. If that doesn't fix the error, change your DNS server to an optimized one. For this, open up Command Prompt again. Now type ping 1.1.1.1 and press Enter. Doing this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. Next, type ping 8.8.8.8 and press Enter. And this will give you the minimum, maximum, and average ping of this DNS. After you find out which DNS has the lowest ping, go to Settings and click on Network and Internet. Then click on Ethernet. Now scroll down a little and click on the Edit button next to the DNS server assignment. From the top, select Manual and turn on IPv4 if it's turned off. Now on the Preferred DNS box, add the DNS server with the lowest ping. Move on to Alternate DNS. Here, type 1.0.0.1 if you're using 1.1.1.1 DNS. But if you're using 8.8.8.8, type 8.8.4.4. Lastly, click Save and check if you can teleport properly. Solution 2. If not, just log out of all devices you're using to play Roblox. To do this, simply open up Roblox, then click on this three-dot icon. Then click on Settings, then on Security. Then scroll down a little and click on Log out of all other sessions and hit Logout. After this, log back in and the error should be gone by now. And folks, that's how you solve error code 773 on your computer. If the video helped you out, please hit the like button, and if you have any more questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!